Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have my unboxing from Gramma in a box. This is one of our household favorite subscriptions because it comes with different treats to make and cookies to decorate. So this month has a Butterfly and Blossoms cookie and candy theme, and this is for May. And I do have a promo code that I'll put below to save you some money if you want to join for a subscription. But they do include everything on here, so you know what is in the box. And then the first project is pretzel butterflies. Second project is marshmallow flowers. I remember doing something similar to that last year and Jackson really liked it. And then the third project is always cookies to decorate. So, take a peek. You get 3 colors of icing. So this month it's pink, blue, and purple. Nice spring colors. Also have a mix of some melting chocolates, that's for the first and second project. Some marshmallows. I got some cookies here, some butterflies, flowers. Looks like a little castle. Very cute. Pretzel sticks. Lollipop sticks for the little marshmallow treat. And then various sprinkles. So this is just like a mixture of a bunch. Some rainbow, solid purple, and really pretty blue. And then she always includes little parchment paper so you can put your products to dry. So I will now insert some footage of us making them. So I'm starting off with the first project. I've melted the chocolate for about 60 seconds. I stir it, put it back in for about 30, and then it is completely melted. So now I'm dipping one side of the pretzel and laying it against the pretzel stick. And it's forming more like a dragonfly. And then you can add sprinkles to the chocolate that's exposed if you want. And there's enough to make 6 of those. And then with the leftover chocolate, you put a dollop on the parchment paper. And then you put a popsicle stick, kind of roll it in there so that it makes sure it's covered in the chocolate. And then you put a marshmallow in the center and then several around it to make it look like a flower. And this chocolate, it sets up pretty quickly, about 10-15 minutes, so it doesn't take long until your treats are ready. Of course, you could add sprinkles if you wanted to. And then we have the cookies. So I always do 1 or 2, and then I let the kids do the rest of them. Jackson still just puts icing all over it. He doesn't try to make it look like anything. Raylan likes putting icing on all of them, and then she went through, and I wasn't noticing she was doing it, but she went through and took a bite out of every single cookie and put it back down. So you're going to see that here in a moment, and it was so funny to me, and she's just pouring sprinkles everywhere. She loves this box. I filmed this intro late last night, me unboxing it. She didn't see the box, but she heard me talking about it, and she caught a glimpse of a red box on top of the stove, and she, in the pitch black in the house, put her chair over there, pulled up, got it, and started taking everything out and putting it on the dining room table when there's no lights on in the house because she had planned on doing this herself. And she's only 2, so it's really funny to me. So here's some of our treats once they've set up. As you can see, the cookies are an absolute mess, but they always enjoy this box. They both really love it. So if you guys would like to subscribe, I'll put that promo code below and all their information. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.